أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل محمد وبارك وسلم عليه رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما أجمعين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Alhamdulillah, by Allah's grace and fadl, we are in the 77th class of the Duroos program. Today, inshallah, we are going to see lesson number 16 of volume 2. Inshallah, let's get started. Lesson number 16. In this lesson, we learn the following. The verb yuridu, he wants, with isnad to the all the pronouns. Example, Mada turidu ya Bilalu. What do you want, Bilal? Uridu man, I want water. Mada turiduna ya ikhwanu. What do you want, brothers? Nuridu aklaman. We want pens. Mada turidina ya Layla. What do you want, Layla? Note that the initial letters denoting the mudari ya, ta, ana have dhamma. This happens when the verb has 4 letters in the madi. We will learn more about this in book 3. The madi of the verb is arada, he wanted. And I wanted is arattu. And you wanted is aratta or aratti. Anta aratta and anti aratti. So madi is arada, mudari is yuridu. And since it is 4-lettered verb, the harful mudariya takes dhamma. As you can see, yuridu, turidu, turidu, uridu, nuridu. Clear? Yes, but we will learn more about this in book 3, inshallah. Number 2, second point that we are going to discuss in this lesson is we have learned the interrogative and negative ma. So we have learned already interrogative ma. Harf istifham, ma istifham, and ma and nafiya, negative ma. For example, ma is masmuka. What is your name? Ma fahimtu darsa. I did not understand the lesson. Another kind of ma is the relative ma. And also we have learned one more ma, that is ma. This is the third kind of ma. That is ma al-mousula. So ma al-istifhamiya, ma al-nafiya, and now ma al-mousula, the relative ma. Another kind of ma is the relative ma, which means what or that which. Example, nasitu ma kultali. I forgot what you told me. Ashrabu ma tashrabu. I will drink what you drink. La abudu ma ta'budun. It is in Surah Kafirun. I don't worship what you worship. In Arabic, this is called mal mausula. Point number 3, we have learned zu. So this is done in the book lesson number 1 of book 2. We have learned zu. In the accusative case, it becomes za. Example, if first in a talibun zu sha'arin tawilin. In our class, there is a student with long hair. So zu sha'arin. Rayatu taliban. Za sha'arin tawilin. I saw a student. So taliban is maf'ul bihi and za is not. That's why it takes here. It is mansub here, and sign up is being manfu is alif. I saw a student with long hair. Uridu mushafan za harfin kabirin. I want a copy of the Quran with large letters, with big fonts. Harfin kabirin means with large letters or with big fonts. Okay. So we are going to see the mansub form of zu, that is the. Fourth point, proper nouns are the pattern of fu'alu are diptotes. For example, hubalu, zufaru, zuhalu. The word hubalu is the name of pre-Islamic deity. Zuhalu means Saturn, and zufar is a name. This pattern of proper names is called ma'dulun. Note the i'rab of this type of nouns. Kharaja Umaru. It is from the verb, the pattern fu'alu. Umar went out. But the i'rab means marfu எப்படி இருக்கும், mansub எப்படி இருக்கும், majrur எப்படி இருக்கும். அதான் i'rab. Sa'altu Umar. I asked Umar. Katabtu ila Umar. I wrote to Umar. So in marfu form it will be in dhamma, in mansub form it will be in fatah, in majrur form it will be in fatah. Okay, please make a note because it is mamnun min as-sarf. Point number 5. We have learned in book 1 some words denoting colors. Abiyadu, Aswadu, Ahmaru, Asfaru. This is the masculine singular form. The feminine singular form is on the pattern of fa'alau, fa'alau. So abiyadu, baydau, aswadu, saudau, ahmaru, hamrau, aswaru, sofrau. Clear? Both the masculine as well as the female forms are diptodes. Please make a note. Dhamma. It has got only one dhamma. So masculine form as well as the feminine form, they are diptodes. Here are some more examples of the feminine form. Sha'aru ra'asi aswadu. Hair of my head is black. Walihyati baydau, and my beard is white. Because since you are talking about the hair, which is masculine in Arabic, so aswadu. Lihyatun is muannas because it has got round at the end. So its predicate is baydau in feminine form. See the example again. Hadihi ash-shajaratu khadrau. This tree is green. Okay. If you mention here the akhdaru, that is wrong. Khadrau because it's feminine form, because the mutta is in feminine. As-samau zarqau. The sky is blue. So there is only one plural for both masculine and feminine forms. There is only one plural for both the masculine and feminine form. It is on the pattern of fu'ulun. So in the masculine seri, feminine seri, அதுக்கு ஒரே ஒரு pattern தான் இருக்கு plural. அது என்னது fu'ulun pattern. பாருங்க. Al-hunudu al-humru. The red Indian. Man haulai rijalu as-sudu. Who are these black men? وَأُولَٰئِكَ النِّسَاءُ السُّمْرُ. And those brown women. தெரியுதுங்களா? So al-humru, as-sudu, as-sumru is all in the pattern of fu'ulun. It is the plural pattern of the colors of the pattern of af'alu, fa'alau. That is abiyadu, baydau. Point number 6. The proper name Amrun. So we learned Umar. Now it is Amrun. It is written with a vav, which is not pronounced. So it is written with vav, but it is not pronounced. This is done to differentiate it from Umaru. This vav is, however, omitted in the accusative case because in this case their spellings are different. Sa'altu Amran is written with alif, while Sa'altu Umara is written without it because it is a diptode. And diptodes have no tanween. So you understand this point clear. Okay. While writing Sa'altu Amran, you got to write without vav and should have alif because it is a proper declension. When you write Umar, Sa'altu Umara, it is written without alif because it is diptodes. And diptodes have no tanween. Number 7. Aina akhuka al-Husainu. Where is your brother Husain? Here you see akhu. And what is al-Husainu? This is badal. If you remove akhuka, aina al-Husainu. Right? So here al-Husainu acts as badal. Let us read the key. Here the noun al-Husainu is called badal. It is a substitute for akhuka. The badal is in the same case as mubdal minhu. Al-mubdal minhu. That is the noun for which it is the substitute. Here are some more examples. So we have learned this many times before in lesson number 8 of the book 1, where we did actually the badal form and it is mubdal minhu. Now you see it's i'rab. It's declensions. Bintuhu Zainabu Tabibatun. His daughter Bintu Zainabu Tabibatun. His daughter Zainab is a doctor. Ra'aytu Zamilaka Abbas. I saw your classmate Abbas. Katabna ila Ustadina Dukturi Bilal. We wrote to our professor Dr. Bilal. So you can see its declension here. The form, the different kinds of badal. See Bintuhu Zainabu, where Zainab is your badal, and it is marfu because it is mubtada. Ra'aytu Zamilaka Abbasan. I saw your colleague, a classmate Abbas, where Zamila is maf'ul bihi, Abbasan is your badal. If you remove Zamilaka, you will say Ra'aytu Abbas. I saw Abbas. كتبنا إلى أستاذنا الدكتور بلال. We wrote to our teacher. Remove أستاذنا. You will see الدكتور will have kasra because it takes the position of أستاذنا. So that is badal. And Bilalin, that is of course also badal. So you remove الدكتور, remove أستاذنا, you say إلى بلال. So you will find Bilal is majroor because it is followed by preposition إلى. So الدكتور is also badal, Bilal is also badal. Fine. So we have got here three kinds of badal here: marfuun, mansubun, and majroor. Number 8. Akharu means another. Its feminine is ukhra. غاب اليوم إبراهيم وطالب آخر. Today Ibrahim and another student were absent. إبراهيم وطالب آخر. عندي قلم آخر. I have another pen. See, remember it has got only number, so it is diptotes. سألت مدرسنا. سألت مدرسنا. ومدرسنا آخر. I asked a teacher another one. So مدرسن is مفعول به, so آخر is not. زينب من أمريكا. وفي الفصل طالب أخرى من أمريكا. Zainab is America, and there is another student from America in the class. So طالبة أخرى. Masculine form is آخر, feminine form is أخرى. حفظت سورة الرحمن وسورة أخرى. I memorized Surah Ar-Rahman and another surah. Surah مفعول به وهو مضاف, الرحمن مضاف إليه. Again surah is مفعول به. أخرى is it's not of surah. Surah is feminine, so أخرى is also feminine. Both آخر and أخرى are diptotes. Number 9. The word أشياء is a diptote. شيء أشياء is a diptote. Please make a note. Number 10. The difference between Al-Quran and Al-Mushaf. A copy of the Quran is called Al-Mushaf. That is why we can say in the Mushafani, I have two copies of the Quran. هذا مصحف هندي وذاك مصحف مصري. This is an Indian edition of the Quran and that is an Egyptian edition. But it is wrong to use the word Quran in the above context. Very important note here. We say, I read Quran. Akra al-Quran, we can say. That is correct. Or Qara Talibu al-Quran, the student read Quran. But if you want to say, I have two copies of Quran, you must say in the Mushafani or in the Mushafun. Or you can say in the Mushafun Hindi, or you can say in the Mushafun Misri. You cannot say in the Quranun Misri, you cannot say in the Quranun Hindi. That is wrong. Okay. Number 11. Ma akaltu shay'an means I did not eat anything or I ate nothing. This ma is ma of negation, which is used in Mudari. Here are some more examples. Ma ra'aytu shay'in, I saw nothing. Ma qara'na shay'in, we read nothing. Alright. So shay'un means anything, something. Ma akaltu shay'in means I didn't eat anything. I remains after. Number 12. Warakun musattarun, ruled paper. Okay. Warakun musattar, musattarna lined paper, ruled paper. Warakun ghayru musattarin, unruled paper. Sahihun, correct. Ghayru sahihin, incorrect. Muslimun, Muslim. Ghayru muslimin, non-Muslim. Note that the word ghayru is mudaf. So the following word is mujrurun. So ghayru is mudaf. Al-musattir mudaf ilayh. Ghayru is mudaf. Sahihin mudaf ilayh. Ghayru muslimin, where ghayru is mudaf. Muslimun mudaf ilayh. So all these 12 points to be noted. They are coming in this session. And Abdul Sahab has beautifully explained us now through this textbook and through this key book. Let us now read the text of lesson number 16. We want to know Arad. Arad يريد. يريد meaning to want. أراد means he wanted. يريد means he wants. Okay, it has four letters. It is four-letter verb. So inshallah, when we learn four letters, inshallah we will learn in detail. One more thing, and also it has got weak letter. Weak letter வேற இருக்கு, alif இருக்கு. அப்போ its conjugations behave something unusual. That is also we will learn in this book in the last chapters, inshallah. Okay, soon we are going to see the weak verbs that will be given in detail by Dr. Fasab. Inshallah, we will learn it in the proper way, inshallah, by grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. இப்போ நீங்கள் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறது அராதனா he wanted, iridu he wants, and it is since it is four lettered, it has got dhamma. The harful mudariya has got dhamma. So yuridu, turidu. Normally நம்ம என்ன எழுதுவோம், harful mudariyaக்கு ஃபதா போடுவோம். நான் இங்கே என்ன போட்டுக்குவோம், dhamma, because four lettered verb. يريد تريد تريد أريد نريد.